Good morning, Ice Cream Ninja Nation. This is your big homie, Fat Boy Jim, with another all-in ice cream update. Looks like we're looking pretty good today. We may get out on the road. I had a couple of questions and comments about how things really run and operate, so we're going to go over a couple things. Okay, and go from there. There we go. Into the den of the bear. Now, a couple things. This is what's called a Nichols music box. And it has several channels. The button is broken. Fat Boy Jim is a poor ice cream guy. He does all his own work, does all his own labor, builds all of his own trucks. Over here is the light switch. Okay, now let's go out here and I'll show you we normally run the caution light and your hazard lights when we are en route. We do have the stop sign in the back. Bam, bam, all about that safety. Okay, now stay with me, folks, as we go through this. Let's get this out of the way. Oh. You guys still there? Sorry about that, technical difficulties. Now, this, my friends, deep cycle battery, big, fat, ugly inverter, snow cone machine. Let's see. That is the sound. Money box. Ice cream for days. Okay. We're just gonna ice into it. See if we can get a good shot here. And that, my friends, and of course we have the different flavors. Blue raspberry, strawberry, cotton candy, sour, and that's how the snow cone machine works. Now this is the heart of the truck and the heart of the beast. This is a Nelson cold plate system, and what happens is we plug this in and we charge it overnight, about 8 to 10 hours, and then this thing can be unplugged and you go on the road. No inverter, no plug-ins, no nothing. You're 20 below zero for the next 8 to 10 hours. Like kind of like the Yeti systems they got out right now. That's pretty much the technicals. The safety lights, the snow cone machine, the Nelson cold plate. That's about it. We did have a couple questions on the Mark 7. We're going to go ahead and get him in here real quick. The 04 LS with the Jaguar V8. Let's see here. 37,000 original miles, folks. This is Fat Boy Jim's personal chariot. It's not completely done yet. We had this thing. We'll give you another shot of that interior. Boy, is this car gorgeous. 37,000 actual. Sat in the garage almost its entire life. I bought it from an elderly gentleman down in Cincinnati. We couldn't get the fuel injection filled out or figured out. Long story short, so I incorporated a brand new 650 Holly, brand new Street Warrior. We will be going with the HEI distributor. It's getting ready to go to the shop. Got a couple more parts to order. A little shot of that. This is the 99 Grand Marquis Panther platform. Excuse me. With 82,000 actual. It was a revival. I didn't get video on it. I should have. But hey, folks, we'll keep it short today. I appreciate your time. Give us a like, a subscribe, leave a comment. Let us know how we're doing. We're going to try to focus more on the ice cream for the season. Let us know. Give us a shout out. Thank you very much, and y'all have a great day.